हेलो जी, मेरा नाम है गुरलीन कौर टिक्कू और आई वेलकम यू टू द 17th एपिसोड पार्ट 2 ऑफ चाय विद हरिपति। हमने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड किया था लास्ट वीक, चाय विद हरिपति पार्ट 1 विद डॉक्टर रितेश मलिक। उसी का ही कंटिन्यूएशन में पार्ट 2 लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए। पार्ट 1 में उन्होंने बात की थी उनकी जर्नी के बारे में, फ्रॉम डॉक्टर टू सीरियल एंटरप्रेन्योर। उन्होंने बात की थी फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम के बारे में, मिलेनियल्स और स्टार्टअप फाउंडर्स अपना पर्सनल फाइनेंस कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं और बहुत कुछ। अगर अभी तक आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है तो आप डेफिनेटली कुछ मिस कर रहे हैं। गो एंड वॉच राइट नाउ एंड उसके बाद पार्ट 2 देखिएगा। सो पार्ट 2 में वो बात कर रहे हैं वेल्थ के जो 7 फॉर्म्स हैं उसके बारे में। आपको पता था वेल्थ के 7 फॉर्म्स होते हैं? मुझे भी नहीं पता था उनसे चैट करने से पहले। वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के ऊपर बात करी है और बहुत कुछ सब मैं बता दूंगी तो फिर आप एपिसोड में क्या देखोगे। सो ओवर टू द एपिसोड। मैं ज्यादा वेट नहीं करवाऊंगी आपको एंड शुरू करते हैं एपिसोड आपके लिए। What are your retirement plans?
I will not retire. My last day on this planet will be my retirement intake. The good part is I've already retired. So retirement is when you stop getting in your remunerations properly. उसके बाद pension आ जाती है कि आपने जो कमाया है वो interest उससे खा रहे हो. For me, I've retired like I think 4 years back only I had retired. Financially, I was not dependent. Now because I'm financially free, believe that I really can work on a lot of interesting things that are more closer to my heart. Apart from that, retirement तो नहीं है. I think I work almost the same as I did as an entrepreneur earlier.
So you're actually loving what you're doing, so you don't need to retire.
Yes.
So now next question comes from the previous word that you said, you know, parents कैसे करते हैं और मतलब families में usually क्या होता है. So I would like to ask you, what money lessons have you learned from your parents?
In my family, I've learned a lot of interesting lessons. Like my parents are very conventional. My dad always says, I will not buy a Mercedes until and unless I can afford to buy 10. So that is his rule. Like he's that conservative कि जब तक मैं 10 का चेक काट के नहीं दे सकता तब तक I will not buy. And that is why so significantly impacted my thought process of saving. What is saving, I've learned a lot of simplicity from my family. What kind of clothes, अभी भी मेरे mostly सारे कपड़े लक्ष्मी नगर से आते हैं. So the thought process is very clear that be as simple as possible. Make sure that you don't unnecessarily become spoiled because पैसा बहाना बहुत आसान है.
And what role has your mother played in your what are the lessons that you've learned from her, financial lessons?
So one being again being very frugal, making sure that because हम लोग तो बहुत छोटे घर से हैं, so she's been very frugal. अभी भी हमारे यहाँ पे जो चावल आते हैं वो कैसे वो कौन लेके आएगा, उसका क्या बिल होएगा, वो पूरा मतलब साल का रेट नेगोशिएशन करते हैं, बल्क रेट हम ले रहे हैं तो मतलब but the idea is the fundamentals remain the same. Be as frugal as possible. Money has that potential. People don't guard their money, and this is very interesting. People who earn money very quickly lose money very quickly.
And specifically, जैसे आपने women empowerment की बात करी, what role does a woman in one's life, mother or wife, they play in the financial journey?
So मेरा बहुत significant belief है that as many members of the family as possible should work in families, because वो भी compounding होता है. आप ये देखिए ना, वो एक और कंधा जुड़ जाता है. I believe that at any and every woman, and also this is very interesting, you'll be amazed, depression cases as a doctor I can tell you in women are extremely high, especially in those who don't work. The day is long. 24 घंटे में आदमी कितना Netflix देख सकता है घर पे बैठ के, कितना वो कर सकता है, opposite of what people think. But the reason is that they are consistently harboring negative thoughts at house. So my belief is, be it a man or a woman, both should work according to their areas of passion. And I'll tell you, the real heroes of startup journeys are not the founders but their wives. सचिन बंसल की वाइफ ने उस टाइम पे was the sole breadwinner of the family. So when things go wrong, you need one person who can consistently be on the job.
I would like to ask, आपकी learnings और insights जो आज तक आपने देखा, आपके experience है, आप कहते हो failure से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So वो सब चीजें आप combine करके अगर आप youngsters को कुछ advice देना चाहो कि कैसे money manage करें और कैसे अपने future के बारे में सोचें, तो वो क्या insights होंगे?
So one would be that there is a Bible and you need to write a few points. The first one is money is God. Money is more powerful than God. And a lot of people will tell you कि पैसे में क्या रखा है. They are just bullshitting around. Money is God. Money is power. Money is influence. Money is, and that does not mean you get arrogant, but money is very important. The day you realize that and you start thinking of money, and wealth has 7 forms. Money is one of them, but one of the most powerful of them. After health, the most important wealth is money. So do whatever you can early in your life to build capital. What you're doing today will define your wealth creation tomorrow. All your decisions and everything about money is all about your decisions. Your good decisions will help you make money. Your bad decisions will help you lose money. So take a lot of time in making decisions. Return of capital is more important than return on capital. And compounding, मेरे को आज तक compounding नहीं समझ में आया. It is वो गीता की तरह है. जितनी बार पढ़ते हो ना और आपको समझ में आता है. Learn compounding. What compounding is, why does it happen, and stop using credit cards unnecessarily or ruthlessly. जितना हो सके become efficient in terms of your tax paying, become efficient in terms of your money management, and what is not measured it will never be achieved. अपनी बैंक स्टेटमेंट्स को एक एक पैसे को देखो कहाँ जा रहा है, क्यों जा रहा है, and don't have even a single penny sitting in your bank account. Every penny should be invested.
And you mentioned about 7 forms of wealth.
Most important is health. Second is money. For me, the second is family. Third is spiritual, your mental well-being. Fourth is definitely money. Fifth is your network. Sixth is your reputation, what credibility you hold in the society. And seventh is your influence to the younger generation and your not-for-profit initiatives. So for me, these 7 are the core philosophies of wealth.
So there's a clear definition of rich and wealthy.
Ji.
So lastly, one advice that you would like to give to 20-year-old Ritesh.
Doesn't matter कि तुझे हिंदी आती, तुझे इंग्लिश अच्छे से आती है या नहीं आती. It does not matter कि तू गोरा है या काला है. It does not matter कि तेरे बाल ठीक हैं या नहीं है. It does not matter that you are thin or average looking or short or high. मतलब what matters is what is inside of you. इंडिया गेट में एक बड़ी अच्छी कहानी है. इंडिया गेट में वहाँ पे वो बलून्स वाले नहीं होते हैं जो वो रोड के अराउंड. तो एक फादर अपने बेटे के साथ जा रहा था. बेटा पूछता है कि पापा ये जो 2 बलून्स हैं, एक पिंक कलर का, एक ब्लू वाला तो हवा में है, पिंक वाला नीचे है. वो इसलिए है क्योंकि जो ब्लू वाला है उसका रंग ब्लू है और ये वाला उसका रंग पिंक है. वो कहते हैं नहीं, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द कलर बट इट इज बिकॉज व्हाट इज इनसाइड ऑफ यू. उसमें हीलियम भरा हुआ है, इसमें नॉर्मल एयर भरी हुई है. सो द आइडिया इज दैट बहुत लोग हमारे देश के अंदर वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स बिकॉज ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी, एंड दैट इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स स्टेम्स अप बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट people don't know English is and अभी तो मैं फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत ठीक बोलता हूँ, लेकिन when I was a kid, because of our family background, हम लोग घर में पंजाबी या हिंदी बोलते थे, तो इंग्लिश का कभी वो नहीं था. और फिर हम लोगों ने एक गेम चालू की कि we will only speak in English, नहीं तो we will deduct. So 100 रुपए से हमारा महीने का वो चालू होता था. जिसने भी हिंदी बोला उसका 1 रुपया कट जाता था. तो टूटी फूटी अंग्रेजी बोलना मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे सिखाया. उसके बावजूद भी इतना अच्छा नहीं बोलता था. तो देन आई रियलाइज दैट इंग्लिश जाननी ही क्यों है. इट डजंट मैटर. आप इंग्लिश जानो या ना जानो, मीठा बोलो. जो भाषा आप बोलते हो मीठा बोलो, एंड दैट इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पोर्टेंट. सेकेंडली, इट डजंट मैटर. मतलब I have seen success stories very closely of people like Vijay Shekhar Sharma who come from very very humble backgrounds like Aligarh. What matters is every day become 1% better than you were yesterday, and if you do that in a compounded effort, you will become one of the most wealthy people in the world.
Beautiful. Next we have is one word answer. I'll just name the things and you have to give one word answer only. When I talk about life,
health, longevity,
food,
I love food, Punjabi food.
Love,
sacrifice,
money,
have more of it.
Success,
be humble.
Failure,
be strong.
Family,
everything.
COVID-19,
massive sacrifice of 7.5 lakh people who were not supposed to die.
If not Ritesh Malik, then?
This is very interesting. I'm very fascinated by kangaroos.
Acha.
Chill life उनकी.
So last is Little Hearts.
Oh, I love Little Hearts. That my favorite.
So मतलब आपने इतने अच्छे आंसर्स दिए, उसके लिए आपने जीता है ये गिफ्ट है.
Thank you.
So एक लेंगे, दो लेंगे, या we have the entire, we have all these for you. We'll send it across through courier.
Yes, मेरे को सारे भेजिए.
जी 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 बिल्कुल. And lastly, we know that you sing very well. We know that you play guitar. I'm not sure whether you are carrying guitar in the office or not. And if it is there, we would like to hear something.
Guitar तो नहीं है, but I can just say a few lines. Okay. So this is a song very close to my heart, and this goes like. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. बस यही वो है. And I think this is the philosophy of life.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. It was great chatting with you, and
likewise.
Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. जो आपने insights दी, I'm sure life changing होंगी बहुत लोगों के लिए.
I hope.
Thank you so much again. So ये थे हमारे डॉक्टर कम एंटरप्रेन्योर रितेश मलिक. And कुछ भी आपको इनसे पूछना है, you know how to reach him. And if you have any questions with regards to personal finance, कुछ पूछना चाहें, कुछ feedback देना चाहें, feel free to give that. And please हमें बताइएगा आपको ये episode कैसा लगा, क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा. We would like to know that. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe.